Joseph Cupertino, and he passed the exam. Yeah. Yep, that's his certificate. So now he already complied everything, his requirements. So for all of you guys who who's already married, of course, and has a son or a daughter that is already 17 years old, so they can already get their license now, provided that you give a consent to your daughter or your son. So I gave my full consent to my son to have an SP. So what are the requirements? There's a lot of rumors going on about student permit, SP needs to do this and that. So yes, in this video I'm gonna walk you through on the processes that my son did in order for him to acquire the license. So stick with me and watch the video till the end. And for all of those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also like the video if you like it. Okay, so yep, so just come along with us. We'll go to the Land Transportation Office or LTO to get his student permit. Okay, so see you there at LTO. Original ba kayo sa birth certificate?
Meron mo naman yan sa kay-scan lang naman.
Okay na, nagkuha pa photocopy mo na para sure. Atong kwan git atong buhat sa na atong pidabit siya mo. Ato man lang.
Tulo. Hanggang kami siya, i-try na lang siya sa mga panood ko. Kasi naparihan ni gahapon, bakit slow ni biglawan ng system. So ang gahapon, so akong pinakita ko dito sa 100 and then by batch na sila nakuha naman sa 4 batch. 50 sa money, 50 sa ito. And then, ito niya ha, panood ko niya ha, 55. Pero di wala pa siya, assurance siya, sa slogan, kaya gahapon na rin. Ito yung mga isang kuhaan ng batch, total batch lang.
Sa so mga 25 ang nakuha.
150 lang ang nakikita.
So halimbawa, hindi mag-cater ka ron, following day, pwede may makabalik tayo. Mga first batch na rin.
Kung magsayo ka po,
ay, hindi, reset tayo siya.
Priority lang gihapon. Pero depende na po sa batch na pag-abot ninyo. Kung yung number na after second batch na priority na lang.
Ano may number, i-try na mo ito ka, kasi kaya ba. Thank you. Try na ito dito sa video.
Eternity later.
So, yeah, we just arrived at LTO Tagum. So this is the main branch in Tagum, the LTO. So it was so congested in Gaisano Mall, so we need to fix it today. So we decided to go here. So see, that's the branch, that's the LTO. So, yeah. See you inside.
A few moments later.
man na good after 3 days. Sa'yo mong feeling karon? Ha?
Gaan.
Gaan yung paminaw no? Libang siguro ka. Gaan daw yung paminaw na libang siguro.
Grabe.
LTO, sa LTO tago may karon. So umana siya og process siya ang license. Ako pa drive mo siya dito sa Kurbada. Hindi Andre. Dito lang sa Kurbada kay para ma-test na ko. Yan kuan ability. Pero ako as a father, amahan niya, I'm so happy nga na-accomplish. One of the accomplishments na dapat ma-accomplish sa mga lalaki or sa mga willing magkuha og license or mag-drive is to have an SP first. So I'm so happy nga na-overcome sa kong anak. So okay, so kita ta sa Kurbada. Siya akong pa-drive-on. Okay. Okay. Very good. Turn signal. Look over your shoulder. Very good na. Thumbs up. Nice speed. Yun na. Winding. Always check sa mo side mirrors. Left ni mo. Yeah. Malo naman gid ka di naman kinahanglan eh. Ko ako matugan ni kay. Mana siyang time nga i-enjoy na nimo. Karon medyo nervous ka, normal na. Si Unisya. Unisya niya pa wala din ka signal kag left. Uni. Speed up kamay si speed. Okay, kabe. Very good. Okay, nag-apply brake. Para mo sign ka hindi ko iga. Okay, pwede ka din sa mo. Sulod. Okay, very good. Display. First, kuha mo drive sa downtown or not even downtown pero part na siya. So next na to is motor para i-actual ta ka sa ganyan sa mga change laning, sa traffic rules. I'm sure kay seminara na nimo. Very good. Wow, congratulations. Yeah. So proud. Okay, so we're nasa balay nami. So lunchtime, and thank you so much for watching the video. And then for those who are new to my channel, please consider subscribing if you like the video, and then please comment down below if you have any questions about processing the student permit in 2022, because I'm gonna be very happy to answer those questions. Okay, so as I always say, keep humble and God bless. See you on the next one.